Hey everyone, this is Will from Junk Rens, and it's time for unboxing surprise number 2. It came in the mail. Another thing that I got from online. And let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. Pretty firm. So it's in a box. This is what I think it is. If this is what I think it is, it's going to be awesome. If this is what I think it is, maybe the surprise. Let's look and see. Ooh. It's a different sort of surprise. Not exactly what I was thinking, but take it. We toss the mail away. Wrapped up in a thing. Ooh, it's a DVD. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh. Pull back some. Gojira Godzilla, available on DVD for the first time in North America. Man, I'm so excited. I'm getting a coughing fit. Let me get me a stinking cough drop. I didn't know that this one was going to come today. Gojira Godzilla, you see the official license. Original Japanese masterpiece, 2-disc set. There's the Japanese version. Now, they're both going to be black and white, of course. 1954 version. Japanese with English subtitles. It has the 1956 US version, starring Raymond Burr. Now, Raymond Burr was a famous actor from back in the day, and he was in several different films and a TV show. And in this remastered Godzilla, direct from the Toho Vaults, original Japanese masterpiece. Man, this is nice. Critically acclaimed classic, one of the greatest monster movies of all time. That's right, he is king of the monsters. When you see this this slides off. This deal here. Opens up. This is the original Japanese masterpiece. Let's see. It's a 2-disc set, so I wonder if it's like most 2-disc sets. So that's the first movie. And then this is the one that's starring Raymond Burr. It has a little booklet up in there. Man, this is awesome. First 2 Godzilla movies. The next one, I'm going to do a little search here real quick. Let me set this to the side. Set this to the side, alright. A little cheap Dollar Tree tripod, but does what it needs to do. New incognito. I always like to do incognito. Just something cool, seems cool about it. Go to Google. Raymond Burr. That's what he looks like. He died in 1993. There we go. That's what I was thinking. I knew he was in a TV show. Perry Mason. Of course, that's not the only thing he was in. But wow. Yeah. Gojira. I'm going to pop this baby in and watch it. I went ahead and watched the second one, Godzilla Raids Again. And that brought back so many stinking memories. brought back a whole lot of memories. Anyway, I just figured I'd show this. It was an unboxing surprise too. I wonder what's going to be coming in this coming week. I know what's coming in. I just don't know what order that it's going to be arriving in. And so every day I get to open up something. Well, not every day, but for the next few days I'm going to get to open up something new. Most likely in the mail just about every day. So, but yes, Godzilla. Alrighty. And real quick thing. Brittany and I went to go see Suicide Squad. And despite what the critics say, I loved it. It was awesome. Jared Leto, awesome Joker. Anyway, I'm going to go and watch Godzilla now. So, I'll catch y'all later.